What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to create an LLC in the state of California. It's going to be a super fast and easy process. It's going to take us around 10 minutes just to get it ready processing. I'm also going to show you how to get your EIN, which is your employer identification number. This is issued to you by the IRS. It is basically your business's social security number. With it, you're able to open up business bank accounts, hire employees under your business, and you're also going to need it for taxes. So we're going to do all this through Tailor Brands. I've done it for all my businesses. I always recommend it to family or friends who are trying to start something up themselves. So even though we're doing it on Tailor Brands, people have the thing in their heads like, oh, it's a third party. They're going to charge me a ton of money just to get my LLC, which isn't true. You're going to pay exactly how you're going to be paying through if you were to do it through the state. um, it's just making everything easy for you, and they're doing all the work for you. So let's get started. If you want to do it, I have a link down in the description. Click on it and follow along with me as I go on my computer showing you step by step how to do it. So let's go. Once you hit the link in the description, it's going to take you here to this page on Tailor Brands. And the first step is we're going to have to pick the state we're doing. So we're going to go California and get started. Now here we're going to have to pick our business name. This is going to be for our LLC name. Let's enter this in, and our name was available, so great. All right, Tailor Brands will be asking us a few questions regarding our business. Answer them to the best of your ability. It doesn't affect the outcome of your LLC, so just get started here. Here they're asking what stage are we in our business? Are we already in business, about to launch, taking the first steps, or just an idea? So I'm going to select already in business. Next, they're asking what industry is our business in. I personally sell on Amazon, so let me type in Amazon here. Look at that, it's here. And what does our business offer? For me, it's physical goods. If your business provides a service, you can select this, or if it's both, you can leave both. Or if you have something unique, you add that down there. Next, they're saying, are we planning to hire employees in the upcoming year? For me, I'm gonna put I'm not sure. If you already know you are, you can select yes. If you know you're going solo, put no. And the next slide, they're asking if you set any annual income goals for your business, whether it be less than 80,000, more than 80,000, or I don't know yet. So I'm gonna put I don't know yet. Here you can add your business or your home postal code, but I always put online. And if you're a brick and mortar, you can select this, or if you're on the go, you can select this one right here. Next, they're asking what we're planning to do for our business. Of course, we're getting our LLC, but as you can see, they provide you a bunch of other services. Like if you want to get a trademark, you need a website and a domain. Here's our EIN, what I mentioned to you earlier, which I do recommend you get. If you need licenses or permits for your business or insurance, there's a bunch of stuff they offer here, which is nice. So we're just going to do for our LLC. Click next. Here is just a checklist for if you're like to keep on track of everything you want to do, but we don't need this. Here they're asking how did you discover Tailor Brands. We're going to put YouTube. Here also they provide you a free 12-week coaching program. If you're new to the business world, try it out, take advantage of it. It is free, but for right now I'm gonna click no thanks. Okay, here we're going to be creating an account with Tailor Brands. This is how they're going to be communicating with us, letting us know the process of the LLC. So let's fill this out. Okay, once we finish creating an account, next page is bringing us here talking about the EIN. So you can get your EIN for free. Like I mentioned, you can go for it through the IRS. It could get complicated. And it could get denied depending how you do it. Like I said, I would recommend you doing it with them. They do charge you $99 to do it. You don't have to go for it. Try it yourself. If you don't want them, go for it. So right now I'll just put handle it myself. And this is just a little reminder letting you know without it you can't open up a business bank account. So, but yes, here is to assign a registered agent as required in California. So what is a registered agent? A registered agent is someone who's going to be receiving all the paperwork and documents from the state or government regarding your LLC. So you can assign yourself as the registered agent under your LLC. So then the state would then send you all the paperwork that needs to be sent towards the address you provide them, which will be you. The agent has to be within the state you're filing the LLC. If you're not in the state, you can use Tailor Brands as they provide you that service, and they will get all the paperwork and just relay it back to you. So yeah, I'll appoint a different registered agent, and you can make that yourself. Next is to keep your good and good standing status in California with annual compliance. This is letting you know you have to renew your LLC. So, as a registered agent, you just get the notice in the mail letting you know you have to renew your LLC. If you want Tailor Brands to do that for you, they can keep that on top of it for you. So, I'll just put you handle the compliance yourself. Next is a toolkit they provide you if you want to go for it. It just gets you a domain, logos. It's what we saw earlier, but right now we just want our LLC. So let's move on. Here they do provide you expedited filing time. They could get it as fast as 2 days, and they charge you $49 to do that. If you have the money, go for it. But if not, you can wait the 14 days to get it. So let's do 14 days. All right, this is establish your LLC rules with an operating agreement. So this is operating agreement is basically saying who's going to be in the LLC, what position are people going to be within the LLC, how do profits move within the LLC towards people. So yeah, they offer this for $29 if you want to do it. I figure you could do that yourself, especially with your business partners, or if it's just yourself, you really don't need that. So let's click next. So this is a binder, a folder that they provide you. It has like business records, hard copies, legal documents. It's all tailored towards your business. If you want to have something nice and organized, looks pretty. But right now we don't need this right now, and we're just gonna move on. And then here's just to let you know you want to get notified when your LLC is being processed, and all the stuff we went past before. If you're interested, you could come back since you have the account. You could go back and select it. Like if you wanted a website or a domain, you do that. Just click next. And here we are. This is it. We have finished. This is the last page. So it's the light plan. So we're just getting our LLC. As we go down, the state filing fee is $75, which is nice. You're paying $75 as we go down. If you wanted to do the 2-day expedited filing, select this. If not, that's all right. As we go down, here we have the checked. It's invoice and bookkeeping. It's a free trial for 30 days. After that, they will charge you $30. So if you're gonna do it, just keep in mind it will renew in 30 days. If you don't want to risk it, you can leave this checked off. And as we go down, the one I do recommend you do the most is the EIN. So you can check that on. If you were to do it, as you see, it doesn't reflect on the total due today price, which is $75. It's because it is done after your LLC is done processing. Then you can start working on your EIN. Tailor Brands would then provide that service and charge you for it. So right here, this is it as far as I can go. But after you pay, it'll take you to another page or two where you will have to fill out more personal information regarding your business and yourself. So that's it. You guys did this. If you followed along, you processed your LLCs already being processed within 10 minutes. That's how fast it was. That's how simple it was. We didn't. That's it. That's how easy it was. If this video helped you, leave a like. Any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and subscribe. It'll help me a lot. Send this video to any friends or family members who are trying to start something up. So, hope it helped. Peace out.